657 centimeters in feet? First of all, we need to know the value of 1 centimeter in feet. It's always 1 centimeter equals 0.03280839895 feet. Now we have to multiply 0.03280839895 by 657. Therefore, 657 centimeters times 0.03280839895 feet equals 21.55511811015 feet. So, in other words, 657 centimeters equals 21.55511811015 feet. We hope you have enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.